आईना क्यों न दूं कि तमाशा कहें जिसे, ऐसा कहाँ से लाऊं कि तुझ सा कहें जिसे। Why shouldn't I hand you a mirror so that they would call it a spectacle? Whence do I bring such a one whom they would call your likeness? hasrat ने ला रखा तेरी bazm-e-khayal में, gul-dasta-e-nigah suwaida कहें जिसे। My longing for you has brought and placed in the assembly of thoughts the bouquet of glances that they call the black spot of the heart. फूंका है किसने गोश-ए-मोhabbat में, ए खुदा afsun-e-intizar तमन्ना कहें जिसे। O God, who has blown into the ear of love the magic spell of waiting that they call longing? सर पर hujum-e-dard-e-gharibi से डालिए वो एक musht-e-khak के सहरा कहें जिसे। Owing to the barrage of sorrows and helplessness, pour on the head that one handful of dust that they call a desert. है chashm-e-tar में hasrat-e-didar से नेहा, shauq-e-inan गुसीख्ता दरिया कहें जिसे। In the eyes, moist through the longing of vision, is hidden the passion unbridled that they call a river. दरकार है shaguftan-e-gul-ha-e-aish को, subh-e-bahaar pumba-e-mina कहें जिसे। For the blooming of the flowers of indulgence is required the morn of the springtime that they call the Kahen of the wine barrel. Ghalib बुरा न मान जो वाइज बुरा कहे, ऐसा भी कोई है कि सब अच्छा कहे जिसे। O Ghalib, don't be offended if the preacher rebukes you. Is there even such a one whom everyone calls good?